Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today we are going to learn about multiplying binomials using the systematic approach known as the F.O.I.L method. This is a fundamental skill in algebra that you will use frequently. Before we start multiplying, let's make sure we know what a binomial is. A binomial is simply an algebraic expression that has exactly two terms. In the example shown here, x plus 3, x is the first term, and 3 is the second term. So, how do we multiply two binomials together? For example, x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5. A common mistake is to just multiply the first terms and the last terms. However, we cannot do that. Every term in the first group must be multiplied by every term in the second group. To make sure we don't miss any multiplications, we use the acronym F.O.I.L. It stands for first, outer, inner, and last. This gives us a specific order to follow so we calculate everything correctly. Let's start with F for first. We multiply the first terms in each set of parentheses. Here, we multiply x by x, which gives us x squared. Next is O for outer. We multiply the terms on the outside edges of the expression. That means we multiply x by 5, which equals 5x. Then we do I for inner. These are the two terms on the inside. We multiply 2 by x, which gives us 2x. Finally, L stands for last. We multiply the last terms of each binomial. We multiply 2 by 5, which equals 10. Now we have 4 separate pieces, x squared, 5x, 2x, and 10. We write them all out together in one long expression, x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. We are almost done, but we can simplify this. Notice that we have 5x and 2x in the middle. These are like terms, so we can add them together. 5x plus 2x equals 7x, so our final answer is x squared plus 7x plus 10. Be careful when you see negative signs. The negative sign belongs to the number it is attached to. In this example, x minus 3, the 3 is negative. When we multiply the inner and last terms, we must use negative 3, resulting in negative terms in our answer. To recap, just remember F.O.I.L. First, outer, inner, last. Follow these 4 steps, and then always remember to combine your like terms at the very end to get the final simplified answer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.